Hi, this is Neil with a tutorial on the new Align Vertices plugin, which is part of mARCH for Modo. This tool is used to align a selection of vertices to the last selected vertex. So we start with a selection of vertices and we choose our target, which is the last selected vertex, and activate the tool. Here you can see that we've got some controls that enable us to quickly determine which axis we align to towards the target. In this case we just want to butt up against the wall. When we click on the target handle, the wall now jumps into position. Once jumped into position, you can still and interactively click on the adjustment handles to change the axes of alignment. I'm just going to switch it back to the original point. Now the tool is designed to work with Modo select through workflow. Simply make a new selection, choose a new target, and now we can continue to work. So I'm just going to adjust the handles here to get the alignment that we want. In this case we want to match the height of the wall, and we're done. It really is that simple. This tool is ideal for aligning walls to one another and also to aligning steelwork and trim. In addition to matching the X, Y and Z position of the target point, we can also choose to offset along any one of these axes. So let's just jump our wall to the target position. And if we look in the user interface, we'll see that the offset X is currently set to 0 because the source and target points match in position. Now we can simply offset from that point by a given distance. A really handy tool.